I just got out of the water. There's a really nice little surf break here. And I met a guy in the water, surfer, one of the locals, and real super friendly, happy to see me. Told me all about the island and the surf breaks, and I told him about this spot that I had seen over on the other side of the island. The guy's face lit up and he goes, "Oh yeah, that's really a good one." You can see it's right off the boat. I've just been paddling over and catching waves whenever the mood strikes me. No wetsuit required. I'm happy, like happy. No wetsuit required. I just throw my fins on, plop over the side of the boat, and paddle over. And we're pretty close to the break. It's not real big, but the wave is quite good. It's got a fast little section on the inside, and you got to be a little picky and choosy. The tide's a little high right now, so there's it's hitting the break wall there. You definitely want to kick out before you get too far inside, because it's rocks and no beach. There are 4 waves on this island. 2 of them are lefts, and then there are 2 more. He told me where they were, but I can't remember. There's other places too, and he told me about them, and I'm not going to mention where they are. You'll have to come and find them for yourself. But also, this wave was much better before they built the harbor. He says they really kind of screwed it up because it hits this breakwater right in here and kind of doesn't keep going. This used to be, before they put this in, it had a hot little section that peeled off in here onto a sand beach. And then they built the harbor, of course, and it screwed it up. But they didn't completely kill it. So there's still a fun wave here. And it does get better than this. This is just a so-so day. But who can complain? It's offshore a lot of the time, and especially in the mornings. And the water is 84 degrees in there. I mean, it feels like bath water. You just jump in. There's no sense of cold or anything. I surfed for 3.5 hours or so, and I'm not cold. I didn't need a wetsuit. Just wearing a t-shirt and some trunks. So yeah. How you doing? You gonna paddle?
Okay.
No? No? Surf.
Surf.
Just surf.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah.
Good.
On va se caler sur les cadres pour le film.
Oh, oh, oh.
Final! Hakamai i rotro final!
Okay, they're gonna do a tug of war. Gonna take out this rope and tie it to the two canoes. And it's a competition between two valleys, the left side and the right side of the island. And one canoe is the right side, the other side's left, and they're gonna tug between the two valleys to see who wins. This should be a lot of fun.
E chi vai? Ok. Patu. Kata aqui, Pode. Tuki.